Guys, we are doing something crazy today.
Yes.
It should be okay.
No, they pop off sometimes.
Okay.
They slip out from this after you jump back into your ride. Oh, okay. Nope, the wrong way.
You look very cute. Small. Du alene deroppe lige nu? Nå, fuck det her, det er så hilarious. 理解できぬ何も見えぬ静かな街の声が瞳の奥に広がる見えない世界がよく何もない空白の中漂うこの一人何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ
Jump down. Okay. Facing into the car. Reverse. Reverse.
So we are about to start rafting. Feeling a little bit nervous. Dany, how do you feel?
Excited.
Dany is nervous as well. I hope this is not my last video.
Excuse me, your lady?
Yes.
The pink
Oh,
one.
the pink one!
Yes. His name Tata.
Hi, Dasha. Nice to meet you.
Name Persian. Tata is girlfriend.
But I'm not his girlfriend, so it's not okay.
You see that?
I'm stay in front?
Yes. Go in front of the boat.
Do I go through the boat or?
Turn around.
Baby?
Hello, baby.
His name is Baby.
Up there. After swimming.
Well, the water is not very cold. Возьми, пожалуйста. Do you need help?
Ja, fordi vi så en slime ud, så jeg var fucking bange for, at det var sådan et dyr, hvis jeg tog. Så når man tager den ud, så har man lige 5 minutter. Hvis det sådan er
Hello. Hello. Okay.
in the boat.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Go in?
Yeah.
Okay. How is it working?
I don't know. I can't fit. Like this? What the hell?
Okay. Curled up in here. Okay. Oh, this is okay. You can sit. Oh, yeah, I'll do that too. Oh, that was better.
Can I ride like this?
Careful, okay?
Okay, yeah.
This looks fun.
Yes.
何もない眺めるだけ暗闇の中で揺れるジョムの光と影思い出すのは夢の代わりにあるマトレス 記憶の中で砕け散る形のない思いの輪が冷たい夜の孤独だけ心を締め付け続ける目覚めることのない夜届かぬ光をただ見る探すたびに遠ざかる闇の中で全て消える何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ暗闇の中で揺れる光と影が交わる夢に残る記憶さえ幻として消えてゆく全てが消えその前に静けさに閉ざされて触れるものも見えるものも通り過ぎ去っていく響く足音遠くから紹介しらの影が来る冷たい風が髪をもでささやきだけが闇に舞うなんで何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺める
We are done with our part 1, whitewater rafting, and it's like 10 out of 10 experience. It was very fun. The water level is not very high right now, so in a lot of places we were just chilling and floating around, enjoying the views. But in some places it went like crazy. You'll see the videos. It was insane. Back in the car. No, I'm okay.
目にはぼんやりとした霧街の明かりがぼやけてる理解できぬ何も見えぬ静かな街の声が瞳の奥に広がる見えない